Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video we will know how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner step by step. As you know, affiliate marketing is a popular way of making money online, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or company's products, and it's a great way to make a passive income, and it can be very lucrative, if done correctly. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing, then I will suggest you to watch our previous video on this, I button, or check out the description below. In this video, we will cover all the basics of affiliate marketing and the steps you need to take to start your affiliate marketing journey. Before starting, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you never miss out our latest videos. And if you find this video valuable, please give a like and share with your friends and family. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in starting affiliate marketing as a beginner is to choose your niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you'll focus on in your affiliate marketing efforts. Here are some tips that will help you to choose your niche. Number 1. Choose something you're interested in. Choose a niche that aligns with your passions and interests. This will make it easier for you to create content and promote products. You'll also be more motivated to work on your affiliate marketing business if you're passionate about the niche. Number 2. Find a profitable niche. Choose a niche that has the potential to be profitable. Research the products and services that are available in the niche and their price points. Look for high-ticket products or services that offer high commissions. Number 3. Determine the level of competition. Choose a niche that has a moderate level of competition. If the niche is too competitive, it can be difficult to stand out and make sales. If the niche is too small, there may not be enough products to promote, or the products may not be profitable. Number 4. Research the audience. Determine the target audience for the niche. Consider their demographics, interests, and pain points. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and promotes products that meet their needs. By following these 4 tips, you'll be able to choose a niche that aligns with your interests, has the potential to be profitable, and resonates with your target audience. Once you've chosen your niche, you can move on to Step 2 and choose an affiliate program. Step 2. Choose your affiliate program. The second step in starting affiliate marketing as a beginner is to choose your affiliate program. Affiliate programs are partnerships between companies and affiliates where affiliates promote products and services and earn a commission on each sale. Here are some tips to help you choose affiliate programs. Number 1. Research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that offer products and services that align with your niche. Research the products and services, their price points, and the commission rates. You can search for affiliate programs on Google or use affiliate program directories such as ShareASale or ClickBank. Number 2. Consider commission rates. Look for affiliate programs that offer competitive commission rates. The commission rates can vary from program to program, and some programs may offer higher commission rates than others. Look for programs that offer at least a 10% commission rate. Number 3. Review the terms and conditions. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program carefully. Look for any restrictions on the products or services you can promote, the payment terms, and the commission structure. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions before you sign up for the program. Number 4. Check the reputation of the program. Look for affiliate programs that have a good reputation in the industry. You can search for reviews of the program or ask for recommendations from other affiliate marketers. By following these 4 tips, you'll be able to choose an affiliate program that offers products and services that align with your niche, offers competitive commission rates, and has a good reputation. Once you've chosen your affiliate program, you can move on to Step 3 and create a website or blog. Step 3. Create a website or blog. The third step in starting affiliate marketing as a beginner is to build a website or blog. A website or blog is essential for promoting affiliate products and building an audience. Here are some tips to help you build a website or blog. Number 1. Choose a domain name. Choose a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. You can register your domain name with a domain registrar such as Namecheap or GoDaddy. Number 2. Select a web hosting provider. Choose a web hosting provider that offers reliable and secure hosting for your website or blog. You can use hosting providers such as Bluehost or SiteGround. Number 3. Choose a content management system or CMS. Choose a CMS that makes it easy to create and manage your website or blog. WordPress is a popular CMS that is easy to use and has a large community of users. Number 4. Create content. Create high-quality content that aligns with your niche and promotes affiliate products and services. You can create blog posts, product reviews, and other types of content that provide value to your audience. Number 5. Optimize your content. Use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to optimize your content for search engines. This can help your website or blog rank higher in search results and attract more visitors. By following these 5 tips, you'll be able to create a website or blog that showcases your niche, promotes affiliate products and services, and attracts visitors. Once you've created your website or blog, you can move on to step 4 and start promoting affiliate products. Step 4. The fourth step in starting affiliate marketing as a beginner is to promote affiliate products. Here are some tips to help you promote affiliate products. Number 1. Choose products to promote. Choose products and services that align with your niche and provide value to your audience. You can search for products on the affiliate program you joined or use affiliate networks like Amazon Associates. Number 2. Create product reviews. Create product reviews that provide valuable information about the products you're promoting. Be honest in your reviews and provide both the pros and cons of the products. Number 3. Create tutorials. Create tutorials that show your audience how to use the products you're promoting. This can help your audience better understand the products and make informed purchasing decisions. Number 4. Use social media. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote affiliate products. Share your content and affiliate links with your followers. Number 5. Email marketing. Use email marketing to promote affiliate products to your email list. Create newsletters, product reviews, and other content that promotes the products you're promoting. Last point, or number 6. Use paid advertising. Use paid advertising like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to promote affiliate products. This can help you reach a wider audience and attract more visitors to your website or blog. By following these tips, you'll be able to promote affiliate products effectively and attract visitors to your website or blog. Remember to always disclose your affiliate links and be honest in your promotions. Overall, starting affiliate marketing as a beginner can be challenging, but it's an excellent way to generate passive income and build a profitable online business. By following these 4 steps, you can start your affiliate marketing journey and build a successful online business. With persistence, hard work, and dedication, you can achieve success in affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching this video. I hope information in this video has been helpful, and I wish you all the best for start affiliate marketing journey and making money online. If you have any questions or queries, don't hesitate, feel free to comment down below.